Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing a recipe from Karnataka, a simple chutney recipe which is perfect for summer. We are making cucumber chutney. We consume a lot of cucumber salads in summers, and at times we have some cucumbers left over which are not used and they become little limp, and you can make use of them to prepare this chutney. It's cool with few ingredients, very mild, so you can enjoy it with any South Indian breakfast dishes. Cucumber chutney. A quick and easy recipe to serve with idlis and dosas. Ingredients are listed in the description box. Check them out. First, heat little oil in a pan, about 1 tablespoon. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And 1 tablespoon each of chana dal and urad dal. Give them a mix. Add 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Now stir them together continuously until they change color. Do this on low flame so that they don't become black. We have to get the roasted flavors in the dals. Add a tiny piece of tamarind. One green chilli and 1 large cucumber cut into pieces. I have not peeled the cucumber. Make sure you wash it very well and wipe it to remove all the dirt from the surface. Now mix all these together on low flame. Add 3 tablespoons of grated coconut. Just basic few ingredients and you get a delicious chutney which can be enjoyed in summer. Mild flavors. You can even make use of your stale cucumber this way. Now add some coriander leaves, about handful. You can add more if you like. Even the spice level, you can add more chillies if you want. Season it with salt. Give them all a nice mix and switch off the gas. Let them cool. Now transfer into a grinder jar after cooling them. It's always nice to try out different variation of chutneys. You get tired of eating the same flavors all the time. Now add water as required. If you want thicker consistency, add less water. Blend them together to a smooth texture. Perfect. Transfer the chutney into a serving bowl. Now we'll add little tadka to it. Simple tadka, basic ingredients. Heat little oil and add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. If you wish to add urad dal, you can add, but it gets stuck in the teeth, so I avoid adding that. Add dry chilies, 1 or 2, add them whole. Once the seeds start crackling, we'll add some curry leaves. That's it. Now mix this tadka into the prepared chutney. Cucumber chutney is ready. Do give it a try. It really tastes good. Mild in flavors and perfect one to have in summers. Pair it with your South Indian breakfast dishes. I have served it with kal dosa today, soft dosas. Do give it a try and share your feedback when you make it. I'm sure you'll love it. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos
from my collection, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.